Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a healthcare, medical care or a senior citizens website using WordPress and Elementor. And the theme that we will be using in this video is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, so you can create a website for nursing homes, assisted living, palliative care, senior citizens and so on. And this theme has all the required pages, services and the functionalities that you need. For example, if you need donations, this theme has the donation functionalities where you can collect donations. You can display different events and you can display your portfolio. People can contact you by using the contact page, and you can also have appointments section where people can book appointments. So this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme that you can consider for your next website. And the best part is this is Elementor compatible, so you don't have to code anything. You can create and customize the website just by drag and drop without any coding. Let me show you a few pages of this theme, and then we'll show you how you can get this theme and how you can set this up. So this is the website. Let me just refresh this to show you the animations. So you can see this type of animations. On the top we have this header. So here you can display some of your contact info like address, your timing and phone number, and also links to your social media platforms. If you don't need this, you can remove this. Then we have the main menu with the logo and all the required pages and a call to action to appointment section. And this is a slider, you can switch it from here, and this will auto scroll as well. So this is the main section. Then we have this section. This is also a slider with these cool animations, and you can see the read more on how. This is another section, so here you can display about your website, and this is not a single picture. Okay, this one is picture. This is another section, and this is some text, and this is also subtext. You can also display your sign. Then we have call to action with the appointment section. Then we have these statistics. This is another section with these accordion. Then we have event section, so here you can display your events. This is also a slider, by the way. You can notice the animations are hard. Then we have this section. This is a testimonial slider. If I click this will switch it. And then we have the blog post section. So again you can see the animation on hover and the read more on hover. Then we have this appointment section where user will fill up their name, email, phone number and discussion for. So you can also change these text a message and then submit now. You will get these entries in your email. Then we have this nice footer. So again a logo, social icons and some text, then quick links and latest posts and the contact section. And then we have about pages, team page, services pages. So you can visit these pages. You can explore this theme by going to the link in the description. Let me show you the donation page as well. You can see donation causes, and here you can display multiple donations. This one is for special in nursing care and so on. You can also set a goal for it, and if I click donate now, this will open up this particular donation. And this is the detail page, and here you can see 33% done. This is the amount and this is the goal amount. And here a user can scroll down. They can fill up these info. They can write the donation amount, their name and address and so on, and then click on donate, and they can donate for this website. And then we also have the events page and portfolio page. So again this theme link is in the description. You can go there and you can explore all the pages and you can pick the one that you need. Now let me show you how we can get this theme and then how we can customize it. So to buy this theme, you can click on the link in the description, which will take you to this page. Here you can see the theme name, Lovecare Senior Care WordPress theme. And this is the price. This is one-time price. You just need to pay this once and you can use this theme for lifetime. You can read more about this theme. Here you can see demo content install, built-in with Elementor, events calendar, donation plugin and so on. Now to get this theme, just click on add to cart. Then you can create a free account here on Envato. If you already have one, you can log in there and you can also continue with your Gmail. And here you can see the theme price again. This is the handling fee and this is the total price. Now you can pay with your Visa, MasterCard, PayPal or Skrill to buy this theme. So let me pay for this. And payment complete. An email confirmation is coming your way. Now they will send you an email also. You can go to your downloads page to download this theme, or you can download it here. Just click on download and this will give you a zip file like this. You will also need to download its purchase code. Okay, so for that you can go to downloads page, and in the front of the theme click on this download arrow and then click on license and purchase code. This will be a PDF file. Okay, and that's it. We just need these two files. Now we can go ahead and upload this to our WordPress. And now to create any website, the first thing you need is domain and hosting. And domain will be your website name, which will be unique, and after typing your URL, your domain name, people will land on your page. For example, if I open a new tab and I type softexpert.pk, this will take me to my website, and this is because this is my domain name and I have my website here. Another popular example of domain name are google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on. And hosting in simple words is an online storage where your website files will be stored, where you can manage your domain, your databases, file manager, your SSL certificates, you can create domain name emails, and you can also create subdomains, add-on domains, and so on. And there are multiple platforms that provide you domain and hosting. The one I would recommend is hostinger.com. And there is a discount link in the description. Once you go there, it will take you to this page. And here you can get a normal hosting or a WordPress hosting, as we are creating WordPress website, so that's why I'm on WordPress page. And the reason for suggesting this hosting is the pricing. Here you will get a free domain, free website migration, 24-hour support, and so on. And if you want to check the pricing plans, you can scroll down here. And you can see this is the premium one, business, and cloud startup. And here you can also notice the pricing. Here on the first plan, you can host up to 100 websites. You will get this amount of storage, weekly backups, and so on. And on this plan, you can also host 100 websites. This is better in speed. We have 200 GB of NVMe storage, a daily backup, free emails, unlimited SSL, and so on. You can check these features and you can select the plan that you need. And most cases, this will be fine for you. You can just add this to cart, or if you need this one, you can add this to cart. And it will take you to the cart page where you can see you are almost there, complete your order. And here you can see the summary of your plan. You can scroll down. You can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48 months. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Here you can see you can save up to 432 USD. And you can scroll down. You can create a free account here, or you can sign up using your Facebook or Google. And then you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and so on. And you can see in just 143 you will get a free domain and this hosting for 4 years. Okay. One more thing is, if you are from Pakistan, the link in the description will take you to hostinger.pk, and you can again see the pricing in rupees, and you can add any to cart. And you can see the pricing is just 859 rupees. And it also includes 1 year free domain. This is for 4 years, which is a good deal. And the next thing is, you can also pay with EasyPaisa, JazzCash, and HBL from Pakistan. Also the Alpha wallet is there. So you can follow the link in the description and you can get a domain name and hosting. And after buying a domain and hosting, you will get a dashboard like this. This is the domain name and this is my hosting plan. You can see business with hosting. Okay. And now let's see how we can install WordPress on our domain. If I visit this domain, there is nothing. You are all set to go. Now we just need to install WordPress here. Okay. Let's go back. And to install WordPress, you can go to website and here you will see WordPress. If you don't see here, you can go to auto installer and you will find WordPress there. Just click on it. And here you can detect WordPress on your domain name. I know that there is no WordPress installed in this domain, so I can just click on install WordPress. And this will open up a pop-up where you can write your website title, for example. And here you can write admin email and username and password for your WordPress dashboard. Okay. And that's it. Just click next. And here you can choose the WordPress version. This is the latest one, which is fine. You can also select your website language. These are fine. And here you can select update to minor version and then click install. And that's it. This is how you can install WordPress on your domain. And now you will see a different dashboard. Here you can see. Now we can edit our website. We have this plugin installed. And we also have the WordPress latest version, the PHP version, and the daily backup is enabled. Now to go to your WordPress dashboard, you can just click on edit website. And this is the WordPress dashboard where we can install themes and plugins and we can start creating the website. And now to install the theme, let's go to appearance, themes. Here we will add a new one. And we'll click upload theme. And before uploading the theme, make sure to unzip that file. Okay, so let's unzip it. I'll right click it and extract all, and you will get another folder. Just open it, and this is the theme that we need, so we'll just need to upload this. So let's click choose file, and under that folder I'll select the main theme. We'll open it, install now, and theme uploaded. Now we can go ahead and activate it. And you will get these two notices. Okay, the first one is to activate the theme using its purchase code. The second one is to install the plugins. So let's activate the theme first. Activate license Elementor. I'll click on it, and this will open up this pop-up using your Elementor account. Just scroll down and click approve, and this will show you the theme name, the purchase date, and the support expiry date. Just click on activate, And that's it. This is how you can activate the theme on your domain. Now we can go ahead and install its required plugins. So just click on begin installing plugins, and these are the required plugins. So just select all. From bulk action, choose install and apply. This will install all the plugins. Then go back to plugin installer and select all, and this time we will choose activate and apply. And that's it. Now this will open up Elementor dashboard where you can create a free account and you can connect your website with Elementor, and then you will be able to use some advanced features like Elementor AI and image generator and so on. Let's close this for now. And now we have these two notices. The event calendar requires this version of PHP, or PHP version is less than this, and this is also because of this PHP version. So let me just upgrade the PHP version in my cPanel and then we'll get back to it. Okay, I just updated the PHP version in the cPanel, and this is very simple. I have showed you in the previous videos. Now let me refresh the page and hope this notification will be disappeared. And that's it, we no longer have that notification. Now if I go to plugins, the Contact Form 7 plugin is also active. So now we have installed the theme and the required plugins, but still if I visit this website, there is nothing. We just have this title and the text and this sample page. So let's see how we can get all the theme data and then how we can customize it. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard, and here you can go to Lovecare and you will see import demo data. Just click on it, and here you can see install and activate all the required plugins before you click on yes import. So we have activated all the plugins. Now you can just click on import demo data and this will start importing. So let's wait for it. And import completed. I accidentally closed the message, but let's visit the website. And there we go, we got the whole website with all the required pages, donations, news, contact, the slider, and we have all the animations, the text, images and so on. So this is how you can install and set up this theme. And now let me show you how you can customize it and make it your own. The first thing is, if you don't need all the pages, you can just delete the unwanted pages. Okay, for that you can go to your dashboard and here go to pages. So let's say you only need the home page and you don't need all these pages, you can just mark them and trash them. Okay, same goes for these pages. If you need one about page, you can delete the second one and so on. So this is how you can manage the pages. And then you can go to appearance, menus, and this is the main menu. So from here you can also remove the pages and you can keep the pages that you need. And to remove a page, you can just click on that and then click remove. And you can also select bulk. Now you can select multiple pages and you can remove them. Okay, so this is how you can manage the pages and the menu. Now if you go to Lovecare options, here you can see header and menu option. So here you can choose a header style and you can try these and you can pick the one that you need. And same goes for the header tab style. You can choose the one that you need. So I choose this one. I'll save changes. Here we will need to write the address. So I'll write address, for example, then office timing and some contact info. Okay, this is just to show you. I'll just save changes. And same goes for the header settings. You can click here and you can turn on switch, and here you can turn on freeloader, and here you can add text to the requirement button like the demo. You can do block settings and so on. This is the typography setting. So here you can choose a font family for the website, font family for the headings, and also the colors and so on. And the services settings. So here you can make changes to the services, to the footer, colors options. So here you can change the primary color, secondary color of your website if you don't like that green color. Okay, so these are some theme options that you can choose from. Now let me show you how you can edit the pages. So go to pages, and as I said, we don't need any coding, so you can edit any page with Elementor. Okay, let's say I want to edit the home page, so I'll just click on edit with Elementor, and this will open up Elementor where we can customize the website. We can change the text, the images and so on. We'll close it, and here we can customize the website. Okay, so we will just click on it. This is the header style. We can choose any of the styles. You can try all of these and you can pick the one that you need. Okay, then scroll down. Same goes for this section. If I click it, here we can change this background, which is this map. And to make changes to the title, you can scroll down. Here you can change this title and you can change this one. You can just write your own text. Okay, then if you want to make changes to these items, you can go to items. You can open up any of these, and here you can change the title, which is a personal care. You can change its link, its content, the icon, which is this star. You can change the shape, the pattern and so on. You can just upload your own PNG images and you can use them. Okay, let me show you. If I click here, I can just upload any image here and then I can click on select to use that. So Elementor is very easy, and still if you have any problems with Elementor, you can just visit my channel, and I have lots of videos about Elementor and you can learn more about WordPress and Elementor. Now let me show you the last thing. So here in the dashboard you can go to charitable, and here you can find all the donation forms. Okay, you can edit any of these, you can make the prices, you can change the description. Let me show you one of them. If I edit this, so here I can change the title, I can change the image, the description, and then I can set an amount. So people can choose from this amount, or they can use a custom amount. In short, you can make changes to the donations here. Okay, if you don't need the donation, you can just deactivate this plugin and you can delete that page. So this is how you can get this theme, and you can import its demo content, and then how you can customize it. I hope you will like this theme, and still if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.